Chateau Elon, Chestnut Mountain. The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Barrow County in north-central Georgia, northeastern Gwinnett County in north-central Georgia, south-central Hall County in north-central Georgia, west-central Jackson County in northeastern Georgia, until 12:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:19 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: Doppler radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Winder, Buford, Brusselton, Auburn, Flowery Branch, Hoshton, Carl, Rest Haven, Chateau Elon, Thompson's Mill, Road, Atlanta Lanier Speedway, Chestnut Mountain, County Line and Hog Mountain. Additional rainfall amounts of 1/2 to 1 inch is possible across eastern Gwinnett, western Barrow, western Jackson, and southern Hall counties over the next hour. Due to the threat of severe weather, NOAA weather radio station KEC 80